Okay, guys, I'm doing a little bit of a harder puzzle today. This one's called Spiraling Circles by Pulsar. I saw a Simon do this on Cracking the Cryptic, and I really want to try it as well. He was really raving about it. I haven't watched it done or anything, so I'm really fresh to it. But this is called Spiraling Circles by Pulsar. So 1 to 9 in every row, column and row. There's no regions defined, but a digit in a circle indicates the number of circles that contain that digit. So if we have like a 7 here, then there'll be 7 other circles with with a 7 in them. But since this is a 9 by 9 grid, we will have to have, and we need 1 in each row and column. We will need like 9 ones, 9 twos, etc. So let's count how many there are. So this is 9 plus 8, which is 17, plus 7 is 24, plus 6, 30, 5, 39, 42, and 45. Okay, so there's 45 total numbers over here. So here, I'm just going to quickly maybe color all these, perhaps. Okay, so there is, take some notes here. There's 45 total circled numbers. That's a 9 by 9 grid, so 9 by 9 equals 81. Plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Oh, so it could just be literally potential numbers. It could be 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Because I guess the triangular number for 9 is 45. Because if you sum all the numbers that up to that, it's that. Yeah. Oh. So that's a good starting point, I guess. Now there has to be a 9 in every single column. Then this one has to be a 9, right? I'm gonna check this and be like, yeah, that's correct. Okay, so let's start. All the 9s have to be in circles. And so in every single column here, 8 must be in a circle. And okay, so there's only one that is in a circle. And that has to be here. So the rest of the ones are here. So in the other cells, there are 8 ones, 7 twos, 6 threes, 5 fours, 4 threes, 2 8 ones, 7 twos, 6 threes, 5 fours. Okay, wait, I think I messed this up. So if there's 5 fours. Oh, I'm sorry. It's 4 fives. 3 sixes. 2 sevens. 1 8. Okay. Set numbers in non-circled squares or cells. Okay. And here, there's only one circle square, and this has to be a 9. Okay. There has to be a 9 here and here. Here or here, sorry. Because no 9 here, but there has to be a 9 here or here. Then here, here, there has to be a 9. I think the only useful ones are this and this. Could this be? Eight eights. Or where would you put 8 eights? This has to be a 1. Yeah, it has to be 1 because there's only one in a circle. And so this has to be a 1. And that one, the one in the circle has to be here because both of these lines have need a 1, and they have all 9 of the lines here have circles, and both lines will need a 1, and so this has to be here. So I think, yeah, I think we're still good. But yeah, this 1 has to be here. So one of these two is a 1. And it's not this one, so it has to be this one. Because this one is here. Okay. Yeah, we're so good. There has to be a 1 in these two cells. Can't be here and can't be here. Every row and column. So far I'm mostly looking at rows. These, okay, so this has only 2 cells, right? So we know one of these is a 9. Oh, and this can't be a 9. So this is the 9. That makes this the 9 here. We're still looking good. Okay. We're going to be able to finish this pretty quickly. So in this row, actually, this is the easier row. There's no 9 here, there's no 9 here, there's no 9 here. This is the only place that I can go. And then that makes it so this can't be the 9. This can't be the 9. This can't be the 9. Or this can't be the 9. So that makes this the 9. Now I think we can go here because it can't be here. 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 That's the 9 here. This can't be the 9. 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 And this can't be the 9. So it's one of these two. But yeah, it has to be here because in this one, you're not doing a 9 here. Not a 9, not a 9, not a 9, not a 9, not a 9. So this is 9. I'm just going to check. Yeah, that's right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got all the 9s down now, which is really good. I wonder if we can do the same thing with 1s. Even just like 8s. So there's 8 8s. Okay. So it's got to be an 8 here. And 8 here. So about 1, 2, 3. There's only one 8 that's not circled. And that 8 has to be here. Because this... And it has to be here. So I think that makes this an 8. Because otherwise you'd have 2 8s. So this is an 8. Yeah. It's kind of the same logic as this one. So now the rest of the 8s are in circles. So that makes this an 8. And there's no 8 here. This one's a 9. So this is an 8. And then... here. No 8 here. No 8 here. So this, either this is an 8. Or this is an 8. This is an 8. Because there's no 8 here, so this one can't be it. No 8 here, and this is a 9, so that keeps us an 8. So that makes this the 8. So now we should be able to get a good handle on these 8s. So this is not an 8. This is not 8. This is not 8. This is not 8. Only 2 places 8 can go. Here, it's not here. It's not here. It's not here or here. So this is the 8 here. And that makes this the 8 here. Okay, so where are we? So we're looking at 8 maybe here. No 8 here, no 8 here, no 8 here, no 8 here. This has to be the 8 because it is circled. So this is the 8. So now it's just this one. So it's not here, 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 it's not here. It could be here, it's not here. So this is the 8 here. And we are still looking good. And now do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 8s. Okay, so now 7. So there's 2 7s that are not circled. One of those sevens goes here. And another one of those sevens goes here. Yeah. 1 7 goes here, and 1 7 goes here, because they only have uncircled. So the rest of the sevens are in circles. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark this really quickly. 7 here. Which we already know, but like, just makes it clearer where I'm looking for 7. So this one's easy, right? So we've got 9 and 8 here. This has to be the 7 because it has to be circled. And it's over here. So now this can't be the 7. So this is the 7 here. So it simplifies a little bit. And now this one and this one can be the 7 in this row. So this is the 7 here. So that simplifies a little bit. And now for this row, this can't be a 7, this can't be 7, this can't be a 7. That's a 7 here. So this is gone. And this is gone. And now for this row, this is not a 7, this is not a 7, this is not a 7, and this is not a 7. So this is the 7, so not here or here. And then there is here, there has to be a 7 here. Yeah. Because there's only 3 circles in this column. And the 7 has to be circled. Well, actually, maybe it doesn't. Sorry. Yeah, no, it doesn't have to be there. Am I missing? Okay, where can 7 go here? Let's just do this really quickly. So it's pretty obvious. Oh, I think we have the 7 down here because there's no 7 here, no 7 here. It could be a 7 here. There's no 7 here, no 7 here, or a 7 here. So this is the 7 here. That simplifies it. So there's no 7 here, no 7 here, and no 7 here. And then up here, there's no 7 here. Could be 7 here. There's no 7 here, no 7 here, no 7 here, and no 7 there. So then this is actually a 7, just like I had before, I guess, in a way. And so the only 7 in this row is here. And that makes the last 7 over here. I think we're still doing good, yeah. I think we just go down the whole number line like this. Okay, I mean 6. Because I think we have all 9, right? So 6. Or did I miss out on 1? Was I supposed to be able to do some more stuff on 1? I don't think so, just because, like, there's just not much you can do. Okay. So there has to be a 6 here, and a 6 here, and a 6 here. That's 3 of the 6s. I'm wondering if this one is a 6. And how I can prove that. I mean, it's gotta unravel like this. It's gotta go down, but I just don't know how to actually prove that that might be a 6. I mean, that would make it easy. That would make this a 6. Which would make this a 6. And this a 6. Then that would make this a 6. This a 6. You know what, it has to be that because it's going downwards. Like the whole number line is going downwards. So maybe that means this is a 2. I think this is a 6. I think these are the 6 6s. I'm gonna say, yeah. I think that's how it is. So those are the 6 6s in boxes. Now we just need the other 6s. And yeah, because it's gonna be, yeah, 1, 2, 3 rows and columns that are, yeah, 100%. This is the logic I've already worked out. So yeah, so we can kind of go through and kind of figure out what the rest of where the rest of the 6s are now. So here, there's no 6. The only place we can put a 6 is here. Because there's no 6 here, no 6 here, no 6 here, and no 6 here. And then in this column, we're still looking for a 6. There could be a 6 here. There could be a 6 here, no 6 here, no 6 here, no 6 here, and no 6 here. So it is literally just here that there could be a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this is the last one. So I think it's okay. It's not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not there. So 6. There we go. 9 6s. And so for 5, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And 5 here. I'm just not sure how confident I am now about some of this. Just to make sure. Yeah. If there was a 5 here, then this can be a 5. It had to be here. And then this would be a 5. This is a 5. This is a 5. And that's all the 5s in the circles. And then this would have to be the 5 because it can't be in a circle. Oh no, sorry. We already have one. I already have one on this row. Yeah, it's right. The logic's right. I'm just not sure exactly what the proof is. How do I get the rest of these 5s? Is that enough to eliminate everything else? Like in this column, like, okay, we'll put a 5 here. Put a 5 here. That's it. Okay. And a 5 here. This could be 5. This could be 5. This could be 5. This could be 5. There's already a 5 here. How about this? This could be a 5. That could be a 5. That could be a 5. Yikes. Is this gonna get better? There's no 5s here. I mean, we already have the 5, basically. This is a 5. This is not a 5, this is not a 5, and this is not a 5. Okay, so we got this 5 at least. I think that's where 5, 5, 5, 5. Right, so this becomes this 5. And then we're left with this 5 and this 5. And then we're at 9 5s. Yeah. Okay, 4 has to be circled, so this has to be the 4. And that makes this the 4. Makes this the 4 here. It makes this the 4. So those are all the 4 4s. So now everything else is non-circles. So there's a 4 here. It's a 4 here. Okay. Let me just get the columns that need 4s right now. Okay, so we have 4 here. There's no 4s here. Then we could have 4 here. Okay, potentially in those 2 places. And then these 2 rows need 4. So we're not doing a 4 here. But we can do 4 here, we do 4 here, or 4 here. And then we're not doing 4s anywhere here. So this is this 4. So that makes this a 4. And none of these are 4s. So this is the 4 here. And this is the 4 here. And now we're done with 4s. Yeah, oh my gosh, it's coming together. It definitely doesn't take that long, but so now we gotta do 3s. This has to be the 3 here, so this has to be a 3 here. And then this has to be a 3. And then we can finish this off, because then this is a 2. And this is a 2 as well. And this is the 1. Which I think I could have done pretty much at the beginning. This is the 2 here. 1, 2, 3 is over here. This has got to be the 1, because the 1 here is blocked. Now this is the 1. No 1 here, no 1 here. This is the 1 in this column. There's no 1 here, there's no 1 here. It could be in one of these 2 spots. But there's no 1 in either of these spots, so there's a 1 here. This is the 2 here, so we can just finish off this column. This is the 3, and this is a 2. This has to be the 3 then. Am I still doing okay? Okay, yeah. 1. This has to be the 2. This has to be 3. I think we're only doing 2s and 3s now. How many 4s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yeah, I'm fine. So this is also a 2. This is a 3. The 1 here goes here, and then we got the 2 here, and then we need the 3 here, and then we're doing our final one. This This is a 2. Very, very nice and satisfying puzzle. Y'all should definitely do this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.